Hi, my name is Dennis and welcome to this channel. I create content on interesting topics in math and physics, so if that sounds interesting to you, consider subscribing and also turning on the notification bell. So today I'm going to look at this simple problem that is not usually talked about. 3 to power 3 to power 3. Is the answer 3 to power 27 or 27 to power 3? So let me show you how. This is a simple rule that we usually don't talk about when we actually talk about the rules of exponents. What happens when a number has multiple exponents? Notice that in this problem I don't have brackets anywhere, so you don't clearly see where exactly to begin with. And so let's see what this becomes. If you have a number like a to the power b to the power c, okay, if you have powers, for example, if you have brackets, I mean, so let me write this: beta a to the power b to the power c. If you have brackets, for example, here, we know how to work this out. This is a to the power b times c. That's interesting. If we have a to the power b to the power c, when the brackets are here, oh, that's obvious. You have to evaluate the power first, b to power c, and then a to the power whatever you get on top. Okay, so what happens if we don't have brackets, like here 3 to the power 3 to the power 3? Well, it so turns out that if you have, I'll write the same numbers, maybe x to power y to power z, if there are no brackets indicated, then the golden rule here is that we have to work downwards, you know, starting from the exponents coming down. So this would be the same as x to the power y to the power z. So I have to begin with the power y to power z, and then x to the power whatever answer I'll get here. So in the case of 3 to power 3 to power 3, that's going to be 3 to power 3 to power 3. So I have to begin from the top part, which gives me 3 to the power 27. All right, so this is the answer that we get. So this is the correct answer, and this rule works for all values. I mean, for all, you know, numbers. For example, if I actually had write this in red, if I had 3 to the power 3 to the power 3 to the power 3, okay, what does that become? That would be 3 to the power, open a big bracket here, that would be to the power 3 to the power 3 to the power 3, like that. So I have to begin by evaluating that. That would be 3 to the power 3 to the power 27. Then I have to get what this is, and then I power all that to 3. All right, so every time you're working with multiple powers, make sure you work with the powers starting from up, coming down. Don't start from down. Don't start from here, for example, and say 3 to power 3 is 27, 27 to power 3, like that. No, that would be incorrect. The correct order is to start from up, coming down. So 3 to power 3, and then this to power whatever answer you're getting here, and so on. All right, okay, so thanks for watching this video. Still subscribe to the channel. If you have an interesting problem you would want us to try out, leave it in the comment section below. Also tell me in the comments what you think about this problem and what your thoughts were before we actually solved it, and I'll see you some other time. Thanks.